Good morning, guys. Good morning. Cough's starting already. Anyways, good morning, guys. Hope everybody's having a good day today. Not a financial advisor, not financial advice. Make sure you guys do your research out there, okay? Also, as always, guys, check out the channel sponsor, LBank. Link is down below in the description. Do your spot trading, leverage trading, copy trading there. No KYC required. Personally, I am trying the copy trading on LBank right now. I'm going to see how that does for me. I'll let you guys know if I'm making any profit on it or not. But I'm not a big trader myself. I don't have the time to be doing that. So copy trading would be best for me to make money when the market is going sideways and is kind of boring. Anyway, guys, let's get into the market here. What do we got? Jasmy up another 2%. SCI network 6.5%. Matic up almost 8.7%. Dion Protocol 12.5%. Nice day. Gala up 11%, guys. Taraxa, another 41% pump on Taraxa, you guys. It is up to 10. It's up to a cent, you guys. This is why you have to join the member side, guys, because listen, we do exclusive content over there to get in early on projects. We recommended Taraxa as a project that you should be getting into to make fantastic profits. So listen, the day before yesterday, Taraxa was up over 50%. Yesterday it was up about 26%. Today it's up another 41.5%, guys, right? So on the week, you guys, it's up 121%. Now, if you were a member, you would have been able to get in early on this project and you would be up 121% on the week. You'd be up, we did this near the beginning of the year, so somewhere around 843% you'd be up on the year, and on the month you'd be up 101%. Guys, this is what we do. We drop gems. We help you get into them early. We did the same thing with Caspa. So it's definitely worth the $4.99 a month to, excuse me, to join the member side. This cough just doesn't want to go away. So it's definitely worth, it's definitely worth it, guys. You get exclusive content over there. You get one-on-one video calls with me. We go over your portfolio. We talk about gems. We talk about exit plans for the bull run. So definitely worth it. A lot of our members have been making a lot of money with stuff like this. What else? Glimmer up 14%. Caspa up almost 8% on the day. 7.1 cents for Caspa, man. Bitcoin's back up 35.2. Very, very nice. Veracity up almost 4%. Very, very nice. You love to see it, guys. You love to see it. Anyway, let's get into it here. So first, guys, now listen. Whenever I get there's certain comments that are put in videos and stuff like that that I like to use as learning moments for people who are newer to crypto, right? This is a teaching moment. So we're going to use a comment that was put on an XRP video that I did the other day. Now, the person said, he said, why would you want to invest in a coin, XRP he's talking about, that has a CEO, let alone one that spent the last year under the Fed's thumb in court? Why would XRP get 10% of all derivatives market? Not trying to be but if you like money, get out of XRP, just buy BTC, basically, and then says that people who buy XRP are dumb. So we're going to dissect this comment a little bit, guys, just to show you why you can't just listen to people online, okay? First off, we're going to go with what he says about the Ripple being under the thumb of the Fed and being in court for the last since the last year, but really the court case lasted 2.5 years. So basically, that comment in itself, that part of the comment in itself tells me that this individual did absolutely no research, knows nothing about the case, and is probably a maxi. So it's either they know nothing about the case or they are some sort of a maxi, Bitcoin maxi, because he only mentions Bitcoin, right? So, excuse me, guys. So here's the thing. When you say something like, why would you invest in a coin when the company's been under the thumb of the Fed and court? Well, first of all, it wasn't under the thumb of the court. It was the SEC going after the company, and the SEC, as it's now been proven, like what I'm about to say is not conjecture, it's not opinion, it's fact, right? Whether you like it or you don't like it, learn to love it. It's a fact, okay? The judge and the courts sided with Ripple, right? They sided against the SEC and stated clearly that the SEC did not have a faithful allegiance to the law, okay? So what you're saying is completely misleading and inaccurate by saying that, because a crooked branch of government dropped a lawsuit and tried to bully a company into shutting down and paying a fine, and it didn't work. And the branch of the government ended up losing for what they did. They lost, which means that what they did was wrong, right? Not what Ripple was doing was wrong. What the SEC did was wrong. Is that clear enough for you? So they were not under the thumb because they did something wrong. They were being held back for interests in Eastgate for Hinman to make $15 million for what they did, right? So if you're going to condemn a company for something that some crooked unelected bureaucrats did, then I don't know what to tell you. You probably shouldn't be investing your money into projects if you don't do enough research to know what's actually going on, right? And that is why I would not take advice from somebody who would say something like that, because they clearly don't know what's going on, or they do and they're a maxi, and the maxis like to deny the truth that's going on because it doesn't fit with their narrative, right? So they just pretend that it's not real. And then to say, why would XRP get 10% of all derivatives market? Well, if you knew anything about what the XRP ledger does, then that would be a very simple answer to your question, right? Near instant finality, extremely low payments. I'm sorry, but the Lightning Network isn't going to work, right? If that's what you're implying here, that the Lightning Network would be a better platform, you're insane, right? You're just denying facts. XRP is faster, XRP is cheaper. I'm sorry to tell you, it is what it is, right? Now, I'm not bashing Bitcoin. Bitcoin definitely is a stay of value. Bitcoin is definitely the big poppy when it comes to crypto, and but there's things it does and there's things that it doesn't. And I'm sorry, but you're just trying to say that it does something that it just doesn't do. And secondly, why would it get 10% of derivatives market? Well, I would counter that question by asking you, why wouldn't it? Right? Why wouldn't it? It's faster and cheaper. You can deny that if you want to, but again, the things that I'm saying are rooted in fact, not rooted in opinion, right? Yours are rooted in opinion, regurgitated by people who don't like XRP. There's no facts to anything you're saying here, right? So that's what I would say to you guys. Sorry to go off on a little bit of a rant, but I think it's a learning moment in that you cannot just take something that somebody says online as fact without doing your own research, because stuff like this comes out with no research done, no knowledge of the facts, and he just says it and hopes that it sticks, right? And that's just not the way you should be running your investment portfolio, in my opinion. That's stupid. I mean, not going to name anybody or anything like that, but like, man, do your research. Don't just listen to things that are being said in your ecosystem and regurgitate it without actually looking into the things that you're hearing, because it's a bad look. It really is a bad look. Anyway, guys, let's get into Shiba Inu here. Let's get into it. Actually, first, let's talk about this. HSBC to partner with Ripple's Medico for HSBC Orion blockchain storage services. HSBC, the banking giant and the largest bank in Hong Kong, continues its preparations for HSBC Orion, a blockchain-based storage service expected to launch in 2024. According to Bloomberg, HSBC will partner with Ripple, the issuer of the leading altcoin XRP, to provide storage services with HSBC Orion. HSBC, the banking giant, is continuing its efforts to launch the blockchain-based storage service HSBC Orion in 2024. Bloomberg reported that HSBC will partner with Medico. Yeah, we already read that. Why are they saying it twice? That's weird. As known, HSBC had announced the digital asset insurance platform and gold export system, HSBC Orion, which uses digital tokens to represent the ownership of physical gold held in vaults in London. HSBC announced that it will release a proprietary tokenization platform, HSBC Orion, in November. They announced it in November of 2022, which financial institutions and companies can use to issue digital bonds based on distributed ledger technology. While development work is ongoing, it has been classified that the platform will be launched in 2024. HSBC Orion utilizes blockchain technology as a single source of truth. This allows assets and settlement tokens to be securely stored on the platform's ledger. All transactions platformed on the platform are facilitated by the exchange of these tokens, resulting in digital delivery against payment. Furthermore, the banking giant will make the HSBC Orion platform available in different regions when the time is right and expand the support offered by the platform to cover different asset classes. Guys, we knew this kind of thing was coming years ago, right? That you were going to be able to tokenize, your gold holdings, what did they say here? Ownership of physical gold held in vaults in London, right? You knew that this kind of thing was coming. Everything's going to be tokenized. Everything's going to be NFTs and tokenized and all that fun stuff, right? So big things popping for the future, little things stopping. If you don't get in now, you are definitely missing the boat, in my opinion. Shiba Inu forms crucial divergence you don't want to miss. Shiba Inu the Shiba Inu cryptocurrency has recently presented a notable price volume divergence that could signal an essential shift for traders and investors. This divergence, discernible on the current charts, is where the price action forms new highs without the support of increasing volume, indicating a potential lack of conviction behind the upward price movement. Historically, price volume divergence can be a precursor to a market correction, as it suggests the movement is not backed by strong buying pressure. The divergence comes at a pivotal moment for SHIB, despite the remarkable 19,000% surge in token burns volume reported recently. The first of several months, which usually indicates a reduction in supply that could lead to a price increase, Shiba Inu has not translated this into significant price performance, which we will get into, guys, in a moment. Moreover, SHIB has been struggling to sustain momentum to breach the 200-day exponential moving average, a commonly watched technical indicator that often acts as a dynamic resistance in bearish conditions and support in bullish markets. This EMA is a crucial threshold for SHIB. Staying below it may reinforce the bearish sentiment and impede potential rallies. The Juke's tap position, whatever that means, of an enthusiastic community engaged in token burns, and the sobering technical analysis presents a complex landscape for SHIB. SHIB's future price action. As the market at large braces for possible corrections, the ability of SHIB to maintain its current price levels may be tested. Investors and traders of SHIB should closely monitor these developments. The price volume divergence is in combination with the token burn surge and the resistance facing at the 200 EMA lays out a scenario where any bullish news could be quickly counteracted by the broader market downturn or lack of follow through in buying pressure. So we'll see what happens here. We could see a bit of a dip for SHIB. We'll have to play it out. If we do, then it is a DCA opportunity. That is how you have to look at it. And yeah, if you're up massively in profits, maybe a good time to take some profits. Maybe, I don't know. It's up to you, right? Shiba Inu token burn, surge interest amidst crypto community. Let's have a look. The popular meme coin Shiba Inu, I don't like calling it a meme coin anymore, guys. It used to be. Again, for full transparency, I currently do not hold any Shiba Inu, but I do at some point plan on getting at least a moderate-sized bag for the bull run. But I don't know. I think it's it's just my unbiased opinion here, guys. Because I could take it or leave it at the end of the day. I don't think that SHIB is a meme coin anymore. I think they've done too much. They have a DEX, right? They have Shiba Swap. They have Shibarium, a layer 2. They have NFT projects. They have gaming projects. They're working on a metaverse project. I think they've kind of moved past the meme status, in my opinion. They've got too much going on. That's just my personal opinion. I don't know. You guys let me know what you think. But the popular meme coin Shiba Inu has experienced a significant surge in its token burn rate. Capturing the attention of the cryptocurrency community, data from SHIB Burn indicates an astonishing 19,000% increase in the burn rate over the past 24 hours, with more than 173 million SHIB tokens sent to an inaccessible address. This surge in token burning follows a notable trend observed in October, during which nearly 1.5 billion SHIB tokens were destroyed, with a record-breaking day on October 28th seeing over 250 million SHIB removed from circulation. The purpose behind this deliberate burning of SHIB tokens is to create scarcity within the market, potentially driving up the coin's value over time. This strategy has garnered significant interest in as market participants anticipate a potential bullish impact on SHIB's price. One particular user of OpenSea identified as there's a wallet address, has emerged as a key figure in this trend. And you see the wallet address is up above there. This user has consistently moved substantial quantities of SHIB to burn addresses, showcasing a systematic approach to managing their SHIB holdings. Notably, a recent transfer of 1 billion SHIB valued at $842 based on current market rates exemplifies the user's active participation in the token burn initiative. Another development involves the Coinbase number 10 hot wallet. Although the specifics remain less clear, funds from the wallet were transferred to a burn address, sparking speculation about the nature of this movement. While the transfer could potentially be accidental due to the high user activity on Coinbase, the fact that funds were directed towards the burn address has piqued interest among observers. These activities point to a growing trend among SHIB holders, indicating These activities point to a growing trend among SHIB holders, indicating a concerted effort. I lost myself there. To leverage token burns as a strategy to influence the coin's scarcity and subsequently its value. Whether orchestrated by individuals with substantial holdings or small-scale investors participating in collective efforts, the motive aligns with the objective to drive demand by reducing the token supply. The surge in SHIB tokens burning highlights the dynamic and innovative strategies employed by the crypto community. As observers closely monitor these developments, the impact of this trend on Shiba Inu's market dynamics and investor sentiment remains a topic of keen interest with the crypto currency sphere. So basically what they're saying here is like a lot of people are burning their SHIB. A lot of people are sending their SHIB to this burn wallet, like a small percentage, I guess, probably of every purchase or something. And I guess that the mindset here is if I burn a little bit, right? If I burn a little bit, okay, so I'm down $800 or whatever the case might be, but I guess the sentiment is in the bull run, you'll make that $800 back because of the value of the price going up because of the scarcity. So you'll make that back and then some. I'm guessing that's the mindset behind it. Very interesting stuff. Let me know what you guys think down below. Smash the like, smash the subscribe button, guys. We'd love to have you as part of the family. And definitely check out LBank, the channel sponsor. And guys, consider joining as a member and supporting the channel. Kept it nice and cheap for you. See you guys in the next one.